Hello, I'm Jake Ball, the founder of ReaderZone. ReaderZone has one primary goal: increase participation in school and library reading programs. When you have strong participation in your programs, you can build a culture of reading. To make reading programs successful, ReaderZone does two things. Number one, allows a teacher or librarian to build a new reading program in less than 10 minutes. And number two, we make it easy so that any person can create a ReaderZone account and join a reading program in less than 3 minutes. After sign up, readers can make daily reading entries in the mobile app in less than 10 seconds. In this video, I'll quickly give an overview of the ReaderZone dashboard. You will see how libraries and schools build and manage programs. Then we'll pull up the ReaderZone mobile app and you can see how ReaderZone participants interact with reading programs. Let's go to the dashboard. This is the administrator dashboard for ReaderZone. You can see that I have various reading programs here to meet the needs of different types of readers. For example, I can have a summer reading program with various age ranges and groups, each with its own set of parameters. My pre-K kids are logging the number of books they read. My 6th grade readers have a goal to read 200 minutes per week between these two dates. And my adult readers are just logging the number of pages they read. Every reading program can have an unlimited number of reading groups, and each group can have its own distinct set of parameters. Going back to the dashboard, you make a new reading program through a series of quick steps here by clicking Add Program. When you make a reading program, you can add an unlimited number of reading groups or have an activities program that includes both reading and non-reading activities. The only limitation to the types of programs you build is your imagination. There are many features that allow you to manage your programs, show your progress, and generate reports that give you valuable insight into your programs and readers. Now let's take a look at the ReaderZone mobile app. This is the ReaderZone mobile app. I've taken my mobile app screen and placed it directly on top of the ReaderZone administrator screen. This way you can see the interaction between the ReaderZone mobile app for readers and what you see as a reading program organizer. The goal with the ReaderZone mobile app is making it very simple for anybody to create a ReaderZone account and participate with reading programs. This is the screen you see when you download the app for the first time. To create an account, I'll click Sign Up, enter a name and an email, confirm the email, and then make a password. With my data entered, I'll click Submit. Your account can have one or multiple readers, and you can add or remove readers at any point. I'll click Next here to add my first reader, and you can see I can add myself or add another person. If I'm adding myself as a reader, I'll click Select, Next, and there I am. If I were adding another person, I would have entered the first name and last name for that person. I'll click Next. Now I enter the reading program code for my school or library. Each reading program has its own unique 5-character reading program code, and this is what you provide to your readers so they can join your programs. This reading program code is F01A7, so I'll enter that now. With the code entered, I select the group or activities I wish to join. Maybe I'll join that 6th grade readers group and click Next. And now I am ready to read. I land directly on the reading program screen for the 6th grade readers. For a group that is logging minutes, there is a built-in timer. I'll click play right here and we'll start the timer. Within the mobile app, you can make past reading entries, view all your progress at any time. You can see any awards you've earned. Speaking of awards, you can see all the awards lined up right here within the mobile app. As a reading program organizer, you have total control over your awards. You can define the image that appears, the trigger at which the award is delivered, and the message that appears here below. Awards that are not yet earned are kind of grayed out like this. As readers earn awards, they become bright, and readers can see all the awards they have earned and have yet to earn. All readers have access to the book bank, which is right here. Readers can use the book bank to keep track of the books they're reading and books they have finished. It's simple to add a book anytime through a search or through scanning a barcode. Let's finish that reading entry. If I click pause right here, Next, and confirm that reading entry is done. And you can see I have unlocked an award. And again, you can define the image, the trigger, and the message for all your awards. If I go back to my reading entry screen, I can make a manual entry. Maybe I read 14 minutes today. I'll click Next, Confirm, and now that is done. Going to my book bank, if I want to say that I finished a book, maybe I finished Hop on Pop, I'll click Mark as Read. I can read that book once or many times. Maybe I've read that book again, so I'll click Read Again and go back to my reading entry screen. By clicking View Progress, I can see all of my reading entries. I've read 17 minutes, I've finished Hop on Pop, I've unlocked my first award, and I've had a lot of great experience here in Reader Zone. Using the mobile app is rewarding for your participants. They can see where they are with reading objectives and be excited about reading. If a participant does not have a mobile device, they can access their Reader Zone account through any internet-connected computer. There are many other features within the mobile app and the Reader Zone dashboard that make it simple and easy to run excellent reading programs for your community. There is so much more to Reader Zone than what you saw in this short video. I invite you to reach out to us to schedule a demonstration of Reader Zone for your school or library anytime. We'd love to talk to you about your reading needs and what you're trying to accomplish. You can also visit readerzone.com anytime, where we have a suite of videos and tutorials that tell you everything you need to know about the platform. Thanks again for your attention, and we look forward to speaking with you.